Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You're probably wondering what exactly is a double location heat press? Or maybe you've heard of the term and just want to know if it's worth investing in. Either way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain what a double or a dual location heat press is, why it matters, and how it can take your t-shirt business to the next level. Let's go. Let's keep it simple. A double location heat press is a heat press machine that has two separate pressing areas. You can press one t-shirt while preparing your next one at the same time. Think of it like having two workstations in one. As soon as one t-shirt is done, you swap and go again. No waiting, no downtime. And that's exactly what our dual heat press model is built for. It's designed to help you work faster, more efficiently, and with better results. It's especially great if you're dealing with bulk t-shirt orders or running a business that grows fast. Let me tell you what you're getting with this machine. Two 400 by 400 millimeter pressing plates. That means full-size adult t-shirts, no problem. It's got a magnetic auto-open function. So once your timer runs out, the press lifts on its own. That saves your t-shirt from burning and saves you from babysitting the machine. It's built solid. This is a luxury level machine, not a flimsy starter press. And at MaxLaser, we offer incredible support. If anything goes wrong, we're right here to help. If you're a t-shirt printing business or thinking of becoming one, this machine is for you. It's made for people who are handling multiple orders, who wants to cut their press time in half, and who cares about getting professional, consistent results. Whether you're selling your own designs, printing for events or brands, or expanding on your current print shop, the double location heat press is a serious upgrade. And because it lets you print two garments at once, it's like adding an extra set of hands in your workspace without hiring one. So if you want to press faster and grow your business, check out the double location heat press. You'll find it in the description below. And if you have any questions about heat presses or printing in general, drop them in the comments below. We love helping. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.